Every year, billions of dollars vanish in crypto scams. Fake giveaways, phishing links, and too good to be true investments. In this video, I'll show you how these scams really work and how you can protect yourself from losing everything. Why crypto scams are everywhere. Crypto moves fast, and so do scammers. The problem isn't just hackers, it's human psychology. Scammers play on greed, fear, and urgency. Once you understand their tricks, you'll never fall for one. 1. The fake giveaway scam. You've seen it. A celebrity tweet or YouTube stream promising to double your crypto. You send funds expecting a reward, but nothing comes back. How to avoid. No legitimate person or company ever gives free crypto in exchange for sending funds. Always verify social media accounts. Scammers often copy official names with small variations. 2. The phishing site trap. Phishing scams use fake websites or emails that look identical to real exchanges or wallets. They steal your login info or seed phrase. How to avoid. Always check the URL, use bookmarked official sites, and never enter your seed phrase online. 3. Fake support or customer help. Scammers pose as support agents from Ledger, Binance, or MetaMask. They DM you first, then ask for your recovery phrase to fix your wallet. How to avoid. Real support teams never reach out first and never ask for private info. Go only through verified contact pages. No one legitimate will ask for your seed phrase. 4. Rug pulls and fake projects. In rug pulls, developers create a hyped project, attract investors, then vanish with the funds once the price spikes. How to avoid. Research the team, check if liquidity is locked, and beware of tokens without audits or white papers. Vime, malware, and fake apps. Scammers create fake wallet apps or browser extensions that look real. Once you connect your wallet, they drain your crypto. How to avoid. Only download apps from official websites or verified app stores. Always confirm your wallet's public address on a hardware device before sending. 6. Romance and social media scams. Some scams start with romance or friendship. The scammer builds trust over weeks, then convinces you to invest together. Once you send funds, they disappear. How to avoid. Never mix emotions with money. Verify identities and avoid investing through personal links. 7. Pump and dump or fake investment platforms. These promise daily profits or guaranteed returns. Early investors get small withdrawals to gain trust, then withdrawals stop. How to avoid. Real investments don't promise fixed daily returns. Verify registration, licenses, and look for transparent teams. Final safety tips. Never share your seed phrase. Use hardware wallets for storage. Bookmark official sites. Don't trust random DMs. Research before investing. Scammers evolve fast, but knowledge is your best defense. Stay alert, stay skeptical, and stay safe. For more guides on crypto security and investing, subscribe to NextGen Wealth. And check the description for trusted tools to protect your crypto.